It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, dual zone climate control, multi-function steering wheel, power convertible roof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.